Let's work on today's technique. For more information, click on the link below. Welcome to GoodKnit Kisses. We're all about helping you stitch your love and love your stitches. Let's go ahead and change colors now. All right, we're going to get our new yarn out. This is contrast B. So I've been working with contrast A this first time. Whatever color you've got, this is aqua and cream here. And we are going to take our tail for contrast B and just work it around for our knit stitch, and then we work our knit stitch here. We want to be able to trap this yarn in. You can trap it on the next go round every time you come back up to this here, but what I want to do is grab my color. I'm going to lay my old color on top of the new color and then pull my old color back around and then go ahead and work my stitch here now. So then what happens is this yarn is trapped up inside, and I can like lead this towards the front here, and so next time I'll continue doing it that way. So you want to make sure that the yarn gets trapped up in here. Thanks for joining us today, where we help you stitch your love and love your stitches. See you again soon.